Hello. We are looking at the process of breaking down a total into parts according to ratios. We have a new question. Our question is as follows. In a school library, the ratio of fiction books to non-fiction books is 5 to 7. If there are 5 fiction books, there are 7 non-fiction books. We are writing in the order given to us: fiction books, non-fiction books. There are approximately 5 fiction books and 7 non-fiction books. Fiction is 5, non-fiction is 7, meaning our books in this library are in a ratio of 5 to 7. And this library has a total of 96 books in this way as fiction and non-fiction. First, we need to consider this. Information has been provided based on the total number of books. Therefore, we should also proceed based on the total number of books. How will we do this? If there are 5 fiction books and 7 non-fiction books, we actually have a total of 12 books. Out of these, 5 are fiction and 7 are non-fiction. If we solve the question with this logic, we need to proceed as follows. To find the number of fiction books, we had approximately 5 fiction books and a total of 12 books in total altogether. In fact, in the initial situation, the ratio of fiction books to all books is 5 to 12. What is being asked of us is this. If you have 96 books, how many of them would be fiction? Since 12 times 8 is 96, we would have as many fiction books as 5 times 8, that is 40. Therefore, the answer to our first question is 40. Let's move on to our second question. How many non-fiction books do we have? Oh, 7. Okay, so how many books do we have in total? 12. The ratio of non-fiction books to all books is approximately 7 out of 12. What is being asked of us is, you have 96 books, how many of them are non-fiction? Since 12 times 8 is 96, we need to take 7 times 8. 7 times 8 is 56. Out of 96 books, 56 would be non-fiction. If we already have a total of 96 and 40 of them are fiction, we could also find 56 by subtracting 40 from 96. Or conversely, we could obtain the fiction books by subtracting 56 from 96. This provides another perspective.